So I'm going to do a review of these Kraft macaroni and cheese gummies. Gummy candy. So apparently these don't taste like cheese. They actually taste like peach. As I was told by the one of the ladies at Five Below the other day. I got this at Five Below. And she told me that these taste like peach instead of cheese. They don't taste like cheddar cheese. That's what I thought they were going to taste like, but they taste like peach. That's what she said. So, I saw these on, where did I see these? Saw these on Instagram, and I thought that these were pretty good. And then I said I want to go to Five Below soon to see if they have them. Smell like peach rings. These are, just like peach rings. If you know what peach rings are, they're basically like candy, or candy just like these. Very chewy, though. I don't like to have a candy that's so chewy, but they're still pretty good. I give them a 3 out of 5. They're really chewy, though. They're good, but they're chewy.